And for number 21, tetrahedron ABCD has edge lengths CD equals 24, BC equals BD equals 15, AC equals AD equals 20, and AB equals root 337. What is its volume? So remember that a tetrahedron is four triangles attached to one another in a three-dimensional space. So first of all, let's go ahead and start drawing some of these faces. Now, if we draw a triangle ACD, then we know that it's isosceles because AC is equal to AD. Then let's go ahead and let the midpoint of CD be E. Then AC is 20, and CE is half of that, or 24, is half of 24 or 12. So we can drop an altitude from A to E, and we get that we can find the altitude of AE. We have a leg of 12 and a hypotenuse of 20. That's a multiple of our 3, 4, 5 triangle. That's the 12, 16, 20 triangle. So AE equals 16. And notice that that means that we have the altitude in this case. And similarly, because BC is equal to BD, BC and BD are equal. So BCD is isosceles. Remember that we still have point E at the midpoint. So when we drop an altitude from B to E, then triangles BEC and BED are right triangles with right angles at E. And notice that BC is 15, and again, CE is still 12. And we're left with one leg of 12 and one of 15. So that's again going to be a multiple of our 3, 4, 5 right triangle. It's going to be the 9, 12, 15 triangle, and BE is going to be length 9. And then notice that AE squared plus BE squared is going to be AB squared, because 9 squared plus 16 squared comes out to 337. And 337 is AB squared. What does that tell us? That tells us that AE, BE, and AB form a right triangle, which implies that the planes of the triangles ACD and BCD are perpendicular. That's how we ended up with AE and BE being legs to this triangle. So the volume of the tetrahedron at that point is going to be a triangular pyramid. It's going to be 1/3 of the area of, or the 1/3 of the product of the area of the downward face and then the altitude from A to that face. Let's go ahead and make the face BCD, and the height then will be 16. Now, BCD has a base of 24 and a height of 9, so its area is going to be 12 times 9, or 108. And then the area, or the volume of this triangle is going to be 1/3 times 108 times 16, or 576. All right.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.